Okay, welcome to Shaving Down Under. Got an unboxing to do here. It's come from Australia. I'll just jump straight on in. In fact, this looks like the best way to get into it. Okay, I'm not sure what this will be. It's well packed. And it definitely looks like a razor. Ah, yes. Wow. This got here fast. Here it is. So I'm pretty sure it's Gillette Junior, Aristocrat Junior. They did say, the seller did say it didn't quite close properly for whatever reason. So obviously, so play with danger there. No. So we got the original advertising inside of it. That's always a good score. Let's have a look at the razor itself. Oh, looks in pretty good nick. Looks quite shiny. Oh, here comes the cat. Oh, it's very clean. Handle looks a... I'll see how the handle comes up. I'll throw that in the cleaner, ultrasonic cleaner. And not sure if this is the original blade dispenser at all. I know the cream coloured one did come with this razor. And that appears that the blades haven't been used. So that's a good score as well. No, I'm happy with that. And look good in the collection. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll chat soon.